Hey guys, I want to show you a piece of software that I've been making for quite some time. It's called CloudSync, or basically a movie server that I built that will have a client player and a server software. So the client player can go on like an Intel NUC or any type of mobile Windows media service, and it has a bunch of different viewing modes like go into light mode, minimal mode, full screen UI mode, and then you can go into actual full screen moding. And this brings up the player, and it hangs out here just full screen unless I hit escape and it goes back to normal. But we're just going to go to light. And what light does is it just kind of keeps the green bar at the bottom. And so we have player management, and under player management we can add local clients to it. So I have a little bit of the verbiage backwards from the inputs, but I digress. You have an IP address, you have a name for it, and a unique identifier that you can add manually, or you can scan for computers. And so we then also have info, which just generates the generic network traffic, some server data information on how much memory is consumed, the IP address, is this an admin, and then a breakdown of time. And of course, a logging system, so it's trying to connect, send tests out, packets and whatnot. So it's just the error console at the moment. But anyway, go back into here, and in under settings, I have it actually in the E drive right now. So I'm going to modify it to the E drive. This is my local. So then now, if I go into load movie drive, it will load all my movie options, and I also now have some players. So I'm going to choose local, which is this player right here, which correlates to the IP address local 112. The player itself is 112. So that means under Media Manager, I can pick, like let's say Die Hard. It's a good day to Die Hard. I chose my local player, and I hit send to player. Now it automatically sends it over to this player and plays this particular movie, shows the interface, and this interface is bleeding out. Once that interface bleeds out, the interface goes away, the movie plays. I can pause my film, I can play my film back up, I can stop my film, and then it just basically goes back into a minimalistic mode. And then I can change my films around. I'm going to play a different film, send that to local player, and it does the same thing. And that's the principle of this software. So hit pause, it brings up the UI. Hit play again. This is a software that I've been writing for quite some time, and it works gloriously, and it doesn't connect with any type of home automation system yet. But the idea of it is that this would run on a server with all of your local files. These would run on players, and then there would be a user interface that expands this, that shows the entire movie collection using a remote, and that's the principle of it. But anyway, that's the video. It's a kind of a recap of the software. Oh, there's also some really silly things I can do, like I can select these movies. Actually, we want to remove Ant-Man. We want to add Captain Phillips. Oh, we want Captain Phillips to play first. Indiana Jones, let's add that. Oh, let's put Ant-Man at the bottom. And then we just create a movie list. Movies, we hit save. This is players created. Now we have movies, and now if I hit send playlist to player, it will play the playlists. And this one right here is starts with Captain Phillips, then it moves to Indiana Jones, so you can start binging TV shows automatically with playlists. So that's how playlists work. But I still have to work on some interfacing, and then I'm also working on screensavering and notification systems and whatnot. But that's that. That's pretty much the system. And then it, just giving you a working log. This is what it sent. Sent play, pause commands, sent thumbnail information, sent all these sourcings, and under settings you can set where you want things to go. Under players, under media manager, I have all that. So that's pretty much how it all works in a nutshell.